Hey everyone, it's almost time for the Dublin Irish Festival, and we're looking forward to another fun-filled, safe weekend with everyone. I'm here with a few quick safety reminders to help keep the festival secure and enjoyable for everyone, guests, performers, and our Dublin community. First and foremost, if you see something, say something. Our officers are here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out if something doesn't feel right. Bringing little ones? Make your first stop the Identi-Kid tent. Kids can get free wristbands with their name, age, and a parent's phone number, just in case they get separated from their group. These tents also double as safe space tents, a calm place where anyone experiencing a personal crisis can connect with mental health resources. Want real-time updates? Download the Dublin Irish Festival app to stay informed on weather alerts, emergency info, and more throughout the weekend. You might also notice drones in the sky. That's part of our Drone as a First Responder program. These drones help us respond more quickly and safely by providing a better view of what's happening on the ground. Don't forget vehicle safety. Lock your car, take your keys, and don't leave valuables behind. In Dublin, theft stops here. Plan a safe ride. If you're enjoying a drink at the festival, make sure you have a safe way home. Use promo code DublinIrish25 to get $10 off a Lyft ride to or from the festival. Let's all do our part to prevent impaired driving. Thanks for helping make this year's festival safe, secure, and unforgettable. See you at the Dublin Irish Festival. Sláinte.